my friends. I hope that everybody is still staying healthy and doing well. And I hope that you've been able to get outside and enjoy some of the nice, beautiful weather that we've had recently. I know here at my house, we've been trying to get outside as much as we can. And on Wednesday, we had a really nice day out. Miss Jen and I brought some books to some of my friends. We were really happy to see you all because we missed you all so much. And some of our friends we didn't get a chance to see, but that's okay because we're going to be delivering another book in June. So hopefully if we didn't get to see you on Wednesday, we'll get to see you in June. So I thought that it would be a good idea if we read one of the stories from the books that we delivered to you. So we brought everybody a Pete the Cat storybook, and inside there are 7 different stories. So we're going to read one today. So if you actually want to go grab your Pete the Cat storybook, you can read with me and you can follow along in the storybook as I read to you. Okay, did everybody grab their book? All right, then we're ready to go. So I chose this story, Pete the Cat, Too Cool for School. We're going to read this story today, and then I'm going to show you a fun craft that I made with my kiddos out of some of the art supplies that you got delivered to your house. So let's read about Pete the Cat being too cool for school. Pete wants to look cool. He asks everyone, "What should I wear?" What do you think he's going to pick to wear to school? "Wear your yellow shirt," his mom says. "It's my favorite." So Pete does. Here he is here. He's got his yellow shirt on. "Wear your red shirt," Pete's friend Marty says. "It's my favorite." So Pete does. So now he has a red shirt on. "Wear your blue shirt," Pete's brother Bob says. "It's my favorite." So Pete does. Now he has 3 shirts on. He has a yellow shirt, a red shirt, and a blue shirt. It's a lot of shirts. Do you think you could wear 3 shirts at one time? I'm not sure if I could. "Wear your long pants," Pete's teacher says. "They're my favorite." So Pete does. "Wear the shorts with the fish," Pete's friend Callie says. "They are my favorite." So Pete does. So now Pete has on 3 different colored shirts, a pair of long green pants, and a pair of shorts that have fish on them. That's a lot of clothes. "Wear the polka dot socks," the bus driver says. "They are my favorite." So Pete does. So now he's got some polka dot socks on. "Wear the cowboy boots," Grumpy Toad says. "They are my favorite." So Pete does. So he put cowboy boots on over his red polka dot socks. "Wear the tie with the stripes," Emma says. "It's my favorite." So Pete does. So now he has on a tie that is red with white stripes. "Wear your baseball hat," his coach says. "It's my favorite." So guess what? Pete does. Pete put on all of his clothes. Does he look cool? What do you think? Does Pete look cool in all of these clothes that he has on? No, Pete looks silly, and he also feels very hot. He's wearing a lot of clothes with his fur. It's making him really hot. What do you think he's gonna do? Let's find out. Pete goes home and he changes his clothes. He puts on his favorite shirt, which is yellow, and it says the word cat on there. It has 3 letters, C-A-T. And he puts on his favorite pants. What color are his favorite pants? Yep, they're blue. So now he has on just a yellow shirt and blue pants. He also puts on his favorite socks. Pete puts on his favorite shoes. Pete puts on his sunglasses. He says, "Now I am cool." Now he's ready to go. If you want to be cool, just be you. In the story that we read today, Pete's friends told him what they thought Pete should wear and what their favorite clothes were, but in the end, Pete decided what he wanted to wear and what his favorite clothes were. So after this story, my kiddos helped me make our own Pete the Cat, and we just made him out of colored construction paper, some glue, and scissors, which you got in your art kit. So hopefully you can all make your own Pete the Cats too. So we decided together that we wanted to give Pete a yellow t-shirt and 4 buttons, because my kiddos remembered one of the stories that we've read here at home and one of the stories they've read at school is called Pete the Cat and his 4 groovy buttons. We didn't have real buttons, but they thought it would be a good idea if they cut 4 circles out of construction paper. So even though they're not real buttons, they made their own buttons out of paper. So I want you to make your own Pete the Cat, and just like in the story, you could give him a shirt, you could give him pants, you could give him socks, you could give him shoes, and they can look however you want them to look. It's okay if Pete the Cat looks silly. But if you do make a Pete the Cat, I would love to see what he looks like. So if you want to send him to me, that's okay. So I hope everybody gets to make their own Pete the Cat, and I will see you all next week. Bye.